Hi guys, today we're making sandwich bread. First, take some bread. Take some another sauce. No, take another sauce, mommy.
This one?
Yeah. Take the sauce, chutney, and put it in this bread. Spread it. This is not relaxing. One more. All of these. You put all the toppings. Some. Here's your sandwich. Here's your sandwich. Tomato, put some onion.
Put there.
Okay, put this.
Yeah.
Ooh, they're so yummy.
Mm-hmm.
Sandwich. Bread. Oh, what's this?
It's a tomato.
Onion. Make sandwich bread. Take
Some butter.
butter. Take some butter. Okay. Yum! Take it and take it. Sandwich. Put the sandwich on the sandwich maker. Okay. Next, but really hot. Now I can keep this. And take some. Sandwich is ready now. Put some there. What I can put this? Okay. Can you help me? Oh wow! This Try it and enjoy.